channel. In today's video, we're going to be working on this beauty right here. Ferrari 458. Had a front end accident, everything was repaired, replaced, and we're ready to spray. Fender is new, it's red because I painted it complete when I did my jams, but then I prepped it again so then we can blend everything out all together. So it's nice and uniform. Same consistency, same paint, same base coat, same clear coat. So that's what we're gonna do. First things first, we gotta mask this car up, back tape all the jams so we don't get any unwanted overspray on the vehicle. We'll be spraying the passenger side door, fender, blending the hood, as well as the driver's side fender. Had a repair there. Gonna keep it small, stay away from the door, that way we don't have to blend the door. And of course our brand new bumper had some scuffs from storage, so we fixed it up a little bit, put some primer on it, and it's ready for spraying. Let me get the car masked up real quick, save you guys all the boring part, and then we'll get to it. Let's go. All right, I got my Ferrari masked up, ready to go. I didn't cut away the plastic yet because first thing I want to do is seal this front bumper. So that way we don't get any sealer overspray on the car. And our bumper can dry for about 15 minutes while we cut away all the plastic and get it 100% ready for our base coat. All right, our car is unmasked, ready for paint, and our bumper is sealed, and it's been about 20 minutes, so it's ready for base coat. Once again, I'll be using my Segala 4600 digital. It's a 1.3 aqua cap, and it's gonna be sprayed at 20 psi. All right, guys, this is it. Our base coat is applied, it's dry. Did a nice clean blend on the door. Painted the hood, fender, and blended this fender as well. And of course the front bumper. Everything's looking pretty. good for clear. I already got my clear coat mixed up. Once again, we're gonna use our Sagara 4600 digital with the titania 1.3 cap, and clear coat I spray at 30 psi. Let's spray it down. The Ferrari 458 is finally painted and looking beautiful. Let me show you guys what it looks before we get it out of the spray booth and into assembly. Let's check it out. All right, it's looking beautiful. It's still got the wet, deep gloss shine, even though I painted it on Friday before the Labor Day weekend. And what is it today? Tuesday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and today's Tuesday. So 4 solid days of curing, and got no dieback. Still got the super high gloss level, so it's not going anywhere. Usually a lot of people will post the car freshly painted, still tacky, the clear coat super glossy, super clean, and days go by and it starts to dull down, fade, and not look too good. But our Ferrari is looking super crisp, super clean. Let's get it out into assembly and get it put together.